Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn our new chapter, chapter number 4, Fundamental Rights, part 1. Can you see some pictures in this line? What these pictures tells us? See the first one. Education is our right. That means it is a right of every child to take at least primary education. Let's see second one. We must get the assurance of a minimum wage. It is our right. That means the one who is employed should get at least minimum wage. Let's see third one. We have a right over our forests and its resources. So, the people who are living in villages or in tribal areas, they have right over their forests and it is a resource of their livelihood. You must have seen such placards in newspapers and elsewhere in a rally or a march. Sometimes a certain demand is made, asserting it to be their right. We get rights at birth. Every newborn baby has a right to live. The entire society and government takes efforts to ensure that the baby is in the best of health. Only when all individuals get protection from injustice, exploitation, discrimination and deprivation. Exploitation is the act of selfishly taking advantages of someone. Discrimination means treating one person or group worse than other. Will they be able to develop their skills and qualities? Demanding one's rights is insisting on creating an atmosphere conducive means helping to the development of the self as well as the entire society. The Indian Constitution has guaranteed equal rights to all the citizens in order to create this conducive atmosphere. These rights are fundamental rights. As they are included in the Constitution, they have the status of law. Our rights as mentioned in the Constitution. Let us understand the rights of Indian citizens included in the Constitution. Our first right is right to equality. According to the right to equality, the state cannot discriminate among citizens as superior, inferior or as men, women and cannot give different treatment or privilege means special right to anybody. The same law applies equally to all. Many laws give us protection. For example, we have protection from arrest without warrant. Also, the state cannot discriminate while extending such protection. What other things are included in the right to equality? The state cannot discriminate against any citizen on grounds of religion, caste, race, sex or place of birth or residence for government employment. The Constitution has also abolished means put to end, that create an artificial hierarchy among people. Hierarchy means ranking system. For example, titles like Raja, Maharaja, Rao Bahadur, etc. have been abolished.